Now, for concluding the whole lecture, we have taken a few places that have been in news. तो first one is Ramona. Ramona को आप यहाँ पे locate कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? This whole portion, okay? This whole portion is called Bodoland Territorial Council, ठीक है? This whole portion, this is Bhutan, okay? ये भूटान की बॉर्डर है, ये बाउंड्रीज है. This shaded portion is called Bodoland Territorial Council, okay? शिलोंग, ठीक है? तो बोडोलैंड टेरिटोरियल काउंसिल एक ऑटोनॉमस रीजन है विद इन द स्टेट ऑफ असम, ठीक है? बोडो पीपल का, ठीक है? तो बोडोलैंड टेरिटोरियल काउंसिल, एंड यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ कोकराझार. दिस इज द पॉइंट रायमोना नेशनल पार्क. और रायमोना नेशनल पार्क हम क्यों डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि रिसेंटली रायमोना नेशनल पार्क, रायमोना हैज बीन डिक्लेयर्ड एज द नेशनल पार्क ऑफ द 6th नेशनल पार्क ऑफ असम, ठीक है? अब रायमोना, अब यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें तो रायमोना इज द वेस्टर्न फ्रंट ऑफ मानस नेशनल पार्क, ठीक है? मानस नेशनल पार्क, ठीक है? तो दिस बिकम्स इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम टू रीजंस. द फर्स्ट वन इज कि इट इज द वेस्टर्न फ्रंट ऑफ मानस नेशनल पार्क. The second one is it has been declared the 6th national park of Assam, and it is in Kokrajhar district. Third very important point is it is situated within the Bodoland Territorial Council. Bodoland Territorial Council is an autonomous region within the state of Assam. Okay, it is a part of Manas Biosphere Reserve. Manas National Park is a different thing. Manas Biosphere Reserve is a different thing. Okay, and now this Raimona is a part of Manas Biosphere Reserve. Okay, this was in news and that is why I have brought it. The second is Merapi volcano. It is a stratovolcano. The Merapi volcano, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. This is Indonesia. ठीक है? This white region, this is Indonesia. ठीक है? This is, यहाँ पे ईस्ट तिमोर को अलग कर दीजिएगा, है ना? तो जावा आइलैंड पे इरप्शन माउंट मेरापी इज द मोस्ट एक्टिव वोल्केनो ऑफ इंडोनेशिया, ठीक है? द अनदर वन इज सुलावेसी, ठीक है? तो बट वी आर डिस्कसिंग माउंट मेरापी है बिकॉज इन द लास्ट 4-5 days माउंट मेरापी हैज erupted 4 to 5 times, okay? And it has shot off a huge amount of magma from it, and it is a stratovolcano. Now what is stratovolcano? Stratovolcano is a volcano that has stratified layers within it, okay? There are like one is stratovolcano and the other one is flat sheet volcano that we will see, ठीक है? Explain करने से बेहतर है if we look at the pictures. That is stratovolcano. And this is Mount Loa from Hawaii, Mauna Loa. This is Mount Mauna Loa from Hawaii. It is a flat shield. As you can see, the elevation is not very steep. Okay, the elevation is not very steep and it is flat. It's the whole curvature is very flat, है ना? And elevation is not very steep. But in this case, okay, like Mount Sulawesi, this is not Mount Sulawesi or Mount Merapi. This is some different one. I don't remember where I took it from, but this is having a very steep slope and the magma will be coming by shooting off it, है ना? लेकिन यहाँ पे the magma will not shoot very high, है ना? तो ये flat shield volcano है. This is called stratovolcano. तो Mount Merapi is a stratovolcano. Okay. So that sums up the whole lecture. I hope you enjoyed it and learned things from it. If you have any questions, kindly comment in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to take the questions. And as Einstein has said that, never stop asking questions. Okay.